Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Andrew and this is the renovation and restoration channel of projects that I do on my house and on projects in the south of France where I live. So my house is a 17th century farmhouse and I've renovated it from a bare shell, so I'm putting videos of that on in hyperlapse and information videos, and also I'm making videos up of projects that I'm working on. This one behind me, you can see, is a big custom swimming pool. You may have seen some shots of me looking around the pool. If not, have a look around and you'll get an idea of the pool. But basically it's a fiberglass liner on a reinforced concrete pool, and the wall away from the house is a big reinforced concrete wall 3 meters high, and then coming towards the house it's a granite outcrop which has been concreted over, so it's like a kind of a triangle pool. And what the clients have said is they want it reducing in depth so that they can use the whole pool. So the intention is we're going to backfill it up with aggregate and then cast a concrete slab on the top, and then he'll have a shallower pool, which means he can use a whole pool. So this is a project that's ongoing. As part of that works as well, then what I'm doing is I'm replacing all the pipes, all the filters, the jets, the skimmers, putting a chlorinator system in it, putting lights in it. So we're renovating and restoring the pool, which is my favourite term, renovation and restoration, hence why you're here. So you can see behind me, there's the pool. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the video we made yesterday where we started removing some of the fiberglass liner. So just before I get into that, I'll show you this. I'll tell you this about it. It's a system where they fiberglass the concrete and the fiberglass bonds to the concrete, and then you smooth it and you put a gel coat on, and then you get effectively your swimming pool. But what's happened in the past, this is 30 years old. The original scheme had jets in, it had lights in, which you can see here. They've actually been removed as part of some form of repair work, so they've been grouted up, they've been done, it's been fiberglassed over again and then again. So there's all these different levels of fiberglass, which some have been incorrectly bonded to each other, poor workmanship, or just age, maybe the deterioration of the bond, the mechanical fix has failed. And what happened was the pool then became effectively a fiberglass tub sitting within a pool that was cracking, and it was delaminated, it was unsafe, it felt unsteady underfoot, and the end of its life. So the client said, look, I'm going to empty the pool and we want to replace all the liner and we want to replace everything. So what we're going to do is all the fiberglass has got to come off, which we're doing, as you can see, and then we've got to clean all the concrete surfaces, and we're applying a 2-coat epoxy primer, which is a pool waterproofing system specially made in Germany. More details of that as we get nearer to the point, obviously. And then we're replacing all the mechanical kit like the pump, the filters, the skimmers, the jets, the pipes, the lights, the chlorinator, all that's all going to be refreshed as well with all new stuff. So that's all going to be installed in the plant room, which is up there, and that will be later videos when I'm showing you and talking about the plant room. So here's a video of us taking part of the liner off from yesterday, and there'll be more videos coming up, so enjoy.